Welcome and good morning everyone. My name is Amir. Today I would like to tell you the lost little turtle. Sit back, relax and enjoy. One day, the turtle walked along the beach. The sun was bright. The waves were soft. The turtle looked around. He could not see his family. He started to feel scared. Soon, the turtle walked left, he walked right, but he was still lost. Soon he met a crab. The crab watched him carefully. The turtle asked for help. The crab pointed to the sea. The turtle moved closer to the water, but the waves were big. He felt afraid again. Then a kind dolphin swam to the shore. He felt brave. And the turtle felt brave. And they swam together to the sea. They looked for the turtle family, and the turtle saw them. The turtle family was waiting for him. He very happy he was safe again. The turtle thanked the dolphin, and the turtle learned to be brave and ask for help. Moral of story: do not be afraid to ask for help. Kind friend will help you when you need it.